Hey guys, it's been a productive morning in the shop. So one thing I did in these table legs is have these self-leveling threaded inserts. Now these come with these cheap plastic nut that you install. I went ahead and did a metal threaded insert, and this gives a really clean look. You know, we all know that most floors aren't level, and this will let you level the table. Got two of those on each end. Let me know if you've tried this before. This is my first time. Designs by Donnie had some videos on it, so it worked out really well. And see, I did it to where it's not flush. You've got room to let it go